Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the screen brightness at the Samsung Galaxy A6 and Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. So for that you go just on the notification panel first and the second time scroll down, and here now you have the opportunity to change the brightness from dark into a bit more bright. So, and here you have at the arrow here you can have a bit more options. Like you could change also the auto brightness, because up here there are some sensors which one can see the light, the brightness of the light outside. Maybe on the day you need a more bright display than on the night. You need a more dark display, and yeah, so it's always better to turn the auto brightness on, because the situation will change too. And on the day maybe outside you need bright, as I said, and maybe if you enter a building you need it a bit more dark. So enter the audio brightness here, it has to be blue, and if you want to have this brightness also on the notification channel, on the first one, so activate that too. So for me is better. If you now enter the first notification panel, then you will see here you can enter the brightness also here without scrolling down again. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, for that I have created also some other videos here next to me. It would be a pleasure if you have a look for. And thank you so much for watching this video. And maybe until next time. Ciao.